Apologies for the sound in this video. There's a lot of traffic noise. There's quite a lot of hustle and bustle in the clinic today, so I've kind of been forced into here because I want to make a video today. What underpins acupuncture is the existence of electromagnetic energy, and when this energy malfunctions, that's the cause of all disease. So I want to make a case in this video for the existence of an electric universe. This cubic foot right in front of me of air is filled with electricity. People don't often think about that. There are photonic particles emanating up from underneath the Earth's core, up through the surface of the Earth, constantly. At any one time, there are 50 bolts of lightning hitting the Earth. So this environment is completely electrified. Now, if you look to the heavens, photonic activity, electrically charged particles are emanating from the center of the universe continuously. So these photons are being bombarded down onto the Earth. They hit the surface of the sun, they're everywhere. So we have a mass of electromagnetic energy that's coming down from the sky, and in Chinese medicine we call this energy yin, and you have a mass of photonic energy rising up from the Earth, and we call that energy yang, and in between these two energies there's the human being. And the human being is not separate from its environment. It is part of this electrical mass. Even if you look at the way that a human being is configured, it's obvious to see how this is done specifically to foster how electricity moves through the body, because we're made out of water. It's actually salted water that we're made out of. So there's no better conductor of electricity. The body is designed to be a conductor of electricity. So when you look at this landscape from this perspective, it's easy to see how a medicine that manipulates this energy that causes all disease is going to be powerful. And we're incredibly fortunate to have a map of the energy of the body left to us from the ancients. You see, when you think about electricity and you think about it going through water, it goes in a very haphazard, laissez-faire, moving towards Earth. It'll go everywhere. But when you bring into this dynamic magnetism, what you have then is electricity that moves in very specific pathways. And these pathways can be mapped and found in every human being. And if you really have a good knowledge and understanding about these pathways and the way that this energy is flowing in the body, then you can manipulate the energy and you can start to treat problems that occur in the energy. The energy in the body is quite complex. I think I will probably talk about it at some point, but in another video. It's not this video. This video is just to illustrate and to show you that this entire reality is an electrical reality. And think about it, if human beings really began to understand about the electrical magnetic nature of their own bodies, they would start to seek solutions to their problems by treating the energy of the body. They would start to do acupuncture, they would start to do homeopathy, they would start to do decent exercise, because exercise gets the energy running through the body. They would start to watch what they eat. They would start to observe the way that their mind works, because the mind and emotions, this is electromagnetic in nature as well, and life's pretty intense at the moment. But what they perhaps wouldn't do so much is rely on pharmaceutical medicine. So I just leave you with the thought, is it possible that the elite on Earth do not want human beings to discover the electromagnetic nature of the body, because they will no longer be able to extract funds and money from those people. Interesting, eh? Thanks for listening.